Inflation has come down. It's come down as we expected. But we have still got some way to go, particularly with what I call the more persistent bits of inflation. That's particularly the services element. It's about half the total basket of prices. That's still at 6%. Now, we don't need to see it come all the way down to a sort of sustainable level, consistent with the target, but we do need to see further progress. But I do want to give this message very strongly. We've had very encouraging and good news. So I think, we can say we're on the way. We don't have to actually get inflation all the way back to target sustainably to cut rates, for instance, because what we have to do is be convinced that it is going to go there. We should act ahead of time in that sense because we have to be forward-looking. Well, that's the forecast we made at the beginning of February. We'll make another one beginning of May. We did have that view back in February because we are going to see quite a drop in inflation because when the next Ofgem price setting takes effect. So that will be the April number that comes out in May. Now we did think back in February, yes, but that will come off as these sort of annual effects work out. We'll take another view on that in May. I think that the pretty small technical recession that we appear to have seen at the end of the second half of last year now appears to be going away. I think we've got a pretty consistent set of indicators coming out on activity of the economy to suggest it's picking up. But obviously there's a lot that we want and need to see in place. But I think there are reasons to believe that we are now seeing an end to that smallish technical recession that we saw last year. We need to see consistent progress towards hitting the target. We've had good signs, I'm encouraged, but we do need to see that consistently on the way to the target. And I'm hopeful that's what we'll see. I'm very hopeful actually at the moment.